I met my higher self in a state of deep meditation. And when I tell you that this was one of the most significant experiences of my life, I don't think you would be surprised. And it wasn't until years later that I realized how much her guidance has influenced the direction of my life. The funny thing is, though, that when I actually meditated to meet my higher self, I had no idea that I would be meeting a female energy. I just saw this light and I went towards it, and then I heard this voice that said, "You have so many blocked emotions. You are disconnected from your body. You need to feel everything." That was so accurate because at the time I was struggling with anxiety and depression, and I was also suppressing a lot of pain from my childhood. And then she started to guide me through some breathing exercises, which, by the way, helped me to release a lot of that built-up tension that I had in my body. She said, "You are more than your physical body. You are an eternal being having a human experience." And although I didn't understand all of what she was saying at the time, these words really resonated with me and planted a seed of curiosity within me about who I am and why I am here on this planet. After that first meditation, I felt so much lighter and more at peace. But it was until months later that I started to really understand the messages that she had shared with me. She helped me to become more self-aware, not just for my mental health, but also from my spiritual growth. And even though I couldn't see her, I knew that she was there with me every step of the way, guiding me, protecting me, and loving me unconditionally. And as I continued to meditate and work on myself, I started to see how my higher self's guidance was helping me to become the best version of myself. My higher self showed me that I am capable of so much more than I believe, and she helped me to tap into my intuition, which has led me to make some of the most important decisions of my life. For example, she guided me to start this channel, which has been such a fulfilling and rewarding experience. In addition to that, she also helped me to manifest my dream job, which I'm so grateful for. My higher self is always with me, guiding me towards my highest potential. And I know that I can always turn to her for help and support whenever I need it. If you want to meet your higher self, I highly recommend trying a guided meditation. I will link to the guided meditation that I did below. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you soon.